Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Mart. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best accessory kits for GoPro. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the SmilePowo GoPro Session Camera Accessory Kit. This accessory kit works nice with GoPro Hero 6.5 Black, Hero Session, and Hero 543 GoPro Fusion. The SmilePowo GoPro kit has a wrist strap for easy faraway manage. It additionally capabilities anti-fog inserts and 180° rotatable monopod. This is additionally extendable for additional flexibility and manipulate at the same time as recording. Its 360° rotating backpack clip mount lets in uninterrupted hands-free video recording. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Black Pro Basic Common Outdoor Sports Kit for GoPro Hero 6 Fusion Hero 5 Session 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1. The Black Pro Not Unusual Outside Sports Activities package has very top-notch accessories that make it the photographer's favorite brand. Its wrist strap mount is available in reachable at the same time as recording real movement whilst bicycling or browsing. It works satisfactory with all GoPro Hero cameras. The floating grip mount and lengthy screw keep the digital camera securely afloat within the water. The floating holder often comes with a separate waterproof shell to hold your GoPro digital camera free from direct contact with water. This kit additionally has a head strap mount that is fully adjustable, making it very well matched with most GoPro cameras. At number 3, we have the Luxebell Accessory Kit for Akaso EK5000 EK7000 GoPro Hero 7, 6, 5. The Luxebell accessory kit capabilities: a chest strap mount for Akaso Action Digicam. The chest strap mount is best for taking pictures, real fun moments for the duration of movement-packed activities. It has a monopod selfie stick that extends up to 37.2 inches and retracts to 8 inches. The selfie stick is also compatible with cameras featuring the standard 0.25-inch thread. For a smooth video recording at the same time as you're using snorkeling or even zip lining, the Luxebell accessories package has a head strap mount. This guarantees a hands-unfastened recording of real moments. At number 2, we have the Lifelimit Accessory Starter Kit for GoPro Hero 6 Fusion 5 Session 432 HD Hero. The Lifelimit Accessories Starter Kit comes with a fully adjustable chest strap mount that fits all shapes and sizes. It functions excellent mounts which are preferably designed for kayaking, cycling, motocross, and different associated movement sports activities. It has a head strap that is well matched with all GoPro cameras. It additionally features a handlebar seat put-up mount, part of the GoPro Hero camera, for stronger versatility. Its GoPro handlebar mounting clamp includes calls for no tool to set up. It has a 3-manner adjustable pivot arm for easy positioning of the camera. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nomadic Gear 55-in-1 Action Camera Accessory Kit for GoPro. This is a flexible and sturdy accessory package ideal for adventurers. This bundle constitutes long-lasting, first-rate components, in contrast to different types. The Nomadic Gear 55-in-1 is well suited with all GoPro cameras. It capabilities: a selfie stay with a metallic tripod to assist harness your complete video and photograph taking creativity. The accessories on this package deal have steel components for energy and sturdiness. It is well matched with GoPro Hero 6/54/3, Fusion, Sony Action Cam and Menegrator. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this accessory kit for GoPro, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.